Imagine a vast expanse of sand stretching as far as the eye can see. The sun beats down relentlessly, baking the earth and leaving it parched. This is the harsh reality of desertification, a process that transforms fertile land into barren wastelands. Deserts are unforgiving environments, hostile to life and posing significant challenges to human survival. The lack of water and vegetation makes them unsuitable for agriculture, and the ever-shifting sands pose a constant threat to infrastructure and livelihoods. Desertification is a global issue, affecting millions of people worldwide. It is driven by a complex interplay of factors, including climate change, deforestation, and unsustainable agricultural practices. The consequences of desertification are far-reaching, leading to food insecurity, water scarcity, and displacement of communities. As deserts expand, they encroach upon valuable farmland, diminishing agricultural productivity and threatening the livelihoods of millions who depend on the land for their sustenance. The fight against desertification is a race against time, a battle to reclaim and restore degraded land and secure a sustainable future for all. In the heart of Inner Mongolia, China, lies the Dollet Desert, a stark reminder of the relentless march of desertification. This once fertile grassland had succumbed to the pressures of overgrazing and climate change, transforming into an arid expanse of sand dunes. The Dollet Desert, like many others around the world, posed a significant challenge to the local population and the Chinese government. The encroaching desert threatened to engulf villages, farmland, and vital infrastructure. The air was thick with dust storms, and the once vibrant ecosystem lay in ruins. The challenges posed by the Dollet Desert were not unique to China. Desertification is a global issue, affecting countries on every continent. However, China, with its vast landmass and rapidly growing population, has been particularly vulnerable to the impacts of desertification. The Dollet Desert became a testing ground for innovative solutions, a beacon of hope in the fight against desertification. China has long grappled with the issue of desertification, with vast swathes of its territory vulnerable to the encroaching sands. The government recognized the severity of the situation and embarked on an ambitious campaign to combat desertification and reclaim its degraded lands. This Green Great Wall initiative involved a multi-pronged approach, combining traditional methods with cutting-edge technology. Afforestation, the large-scale planting of trees, emerged as a key strategy. Millions of trees, carefully selected for their resilience in arid conditions, were planted across the country. These trees acted as natural barriers against the desert winds, stabilizing the soil and preventing further erosion. In addition to afforestation, China invested heavily in industrial development as a means to combat desertification. Large-scale infrastructure projects, such as the South-North Water Transfer Project, aimed to divert water resources from water-rich regions to arid and semi-arid areas, providing much-needed relief to parched lands. While these conventional methods yielded some positive results, a more innovative and sustainable solution was needed. In a surprising turn of events, an unlikely hero emerged in the battle against desertification, the Rex rabbit. Native to France, the Rex rabbit is a breed known for its velvety, soft fur. While their fur made them a sought-after commodity in the fashion industry, it was their grazing habits that caught the attention of Chinese scientists. Rex rabbits, unlike many other herbivores, are known for their voracious appetites and their ability to thrive on a diet of tough, fibrous plants. Scientists believed that these rabbits could play a crucial role in restoring degraded grasslands by controlling the growth of invasive plant species and promoting the growth of native vegetation. In a bold experiment, 1.2 million Rex rabbits were introduced into the Dollet Desert. The rabbits were carefully monitored to assess their impact on the desert ecosystem and their effectiveness in combating desertification. Section 5. Nature's Plough: How Rabbits Restructure the Desert. The introduction of Rex rabbits to the Dollet Desert had a profound impact on the ecosystem, far exceeding the expectations of the scientists involved. The rabbits, with their relentless grazing, effectively acted as nature's plough. Their sharp teeth sliced through the tough, invasive plant species that had taken root in the desert, suppressing their growth and allowing native vegetation to flourish. Their burrowing habits also played a crucial role in revitalizing the desert. As they dug their burrows, the rabbits turned over the soil, improving its aeration and water infiltration. Their droppings, rich in nutrients, acted as a natural fertilizer, further enriching the soil and creating favorable conditions for plant growth. The rabbits' impact extended beyond the soil. Their presence attracted insects and other small animals, which in turn attracted birds and other predators, restoring balance to the food chain. The desert, once silent and desolate, was slowly coming alive. Section 6, From Barren Lands to Bountiful Harvests. The ecological benefits of introducing Rex rabbits to the Dollet Desert were undeniable. The rabbits had transformed the barren landscape into a thriving ecosystem. With a resurgence of native plant and animal life, this ecological restoration had a direct impact on the economic well-being of the local population. As the desert ecosystem recovered, so too did the land's productivity. The improved soil conditions and the return of native vegetation made it possible for farmers to cultivate crops that had once been impossible to grow in the arid environment. The rabbits themselves became a source of income for the local communities. Their soft, velvety fur was highly prized in the fashion industry, and their meat, lean and protein-rich, became a valuable source of food. Section 7, A Symbiotic Symphony: Willows and Rabbits in Harmony. The success of the Rex Rabbit project in the Dollet Desert was further enhanced by the integration of salix plants into the ecosystem. Salix, commonly known as willow, is a genus of trees and shrubs known for their ability to thrive in moist environments. Recognizing the symbiotic relationship between willows and rabbits, scientists strategically planted willow trees and shrubs throughout the desert. The willows, with their deep roots, helped stabilize the sandy soil and prevent erosion. Their leaves provided shade for the rabbits, protecting them from the harsh desert sun, and their branches offered a safe haven from predators. The rabbits, in turn, benefited the willows by controlling the growth of competing plant species and fertilizing the soil with their droppings. This harmonious coexistence of rabbits and willows created a self-sustaining ecosystem. Section 8. Dollet Banner's Legacy, a Beacon of Hope for the World. The transformation of the Dollet Desert from a barren wasteland into a thriving ecosystem stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of nature to heal. The project, which began as a bold experiment, has captured the world's attention and earned international acclaim. The success of the Dollet Banner project has inspired similar initiatives in other parts of China and around the world. Countries grappling with desertification are now looking to the Dollet Banner model as a viable solution to reclaim their degraded lands and restore their ecosystems. The project's success lies not only in its innovative use of Rex rabbits, but also in its holistic approach to combating desertification. By addressing the root causes of desertification and working in harmony with nature, the project has created a sustainable model for desert greening. Section 9. Towards a Greener Future. Lessons from the Rex rabbits. The Dollet Desert project offers valuable lessons for the future of desert greening and the fight against desertification. It highlights the importance of innovative solutions. Exploring unconventional approaches such as the introduction of Rex rabbits can yield remarkable results. Ecosystem-based approach. Understanding the interconnectedness of species and their roles in the ecosystem is crucial for successful restoration. Community engagement, involving local communities in the planning and implementation of such projects, ensures their long-term sustainability. The success of the Dollet Banner project serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even the most degraded lands can be restored with careful planning, innovation, and a deep respect for nature. As we face the growing challenges of climate change and desertification, the lessons learned from the Dollet Desert will continue to guide our efforts to create a greener and more sustainable future for all.